The question of what the meaning of life is has puzzled philosophers for centuries, and it is a question that continues to be relevant today. Some people believe that life has no inherent meaning, and that it is up to each individual to create their own purpose in life. Others believe that there is a universal meaning to life that is independent of human thought and experience. One perspective on the meaning of life is that it is a question that cannot be answered. According to this view, the very nature of the question is flawed because it assumes that life must have a single, objective meaning that is the same for everyone. This assumption is problematic because it ignores the fact that people have different values, goals, and experiences, and therefore it is impossible to identify a single meaning that is applicable to all individuals. Another perspective is that the meaning of life is subjective, and that it is up to each individual to determine their own purpose in life. According to this view, people have the freedom to choose their own goals and values, and to find meaning and fulfillment through the pursuit of these goals. This perspective emphasizes the importance of personal autonomy and self-determination, and it suggests that people are responsible for creating their own meaning in life. A third perspective on the meaning of life is that it is objective, and that there is a universal purpose to life that is independent of human thought and experience. This perspective is often associated with religious or spiritual beliefs, and it suggests that there is a higher power or purpose that guides the course of human existence. Some people believe that this higher power has a specific plan or purpose for each individual, while others believe that the universal purpose of life is more general and applies to all people. Despite the differences between these perspectives, there are some common themes that emerge when considering the meaning of life. One of these themes is the idea of purpose or direction. Many people believe that life has meaning because it is directed towards some specific end or goal. This can be a personal goal, such as achieving happiness or success, or it can be a more universal goal, such as making a positive impact on the world. Another common theme is the idea of fulfillment or happiness. Many people believe that the meaning of life is related to the experience of happiness or contentment, and that the pursuit of happiness is a central purpose of human existence. This perspective suggests that the meaning of life is closely tied to the quality of our experiences and relationships, and that the pursuit of happiness is an important aspect of living a meaningful life. Finally, there is the idea of legacy or impact. Many people believe that the meaning of life is related to the way in which we affect the world around us, and that our lives have meaning to the extent that we make a positive impact on others. This perspective suggests that the meaning of life is not just about our own personal fulfillment, but also about the ways in which we contribute to the greater good. In conclusion, the meaning of life is a complex and multifaceted question that has no simple or definitive answer. Different people may have different perspectives on the meaning of life, and there may be multiple valid ways of understanding and experiencing life's purpose. Ultimately, the meaning of life is likely to be a combination of personal goals, relationships, and experiences, as well as a sense of connection to something larger than ourselves. Subscribe for more videos like this.